Hello everyone, today I'll tell you how you can make mini sandwiches at home that are perfect for mid-evening munching. These classic mini tea time sandwiches are not just for adults, kids will love them too. So let's start. The ingredients are 4 to 5 slices of white bread I have taken. You can even take brown bread, 1 cucumber, 1 capsicum, pinch of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, mayonnaise and the seasoning. For the garnishing, chopped apples and the toothpick, of course. Now stack 2 breads one over the other. Using a pizza cutter, remove the sides of the bread. You can even use a knife to remove the sides. As it is done, remove the sides of the other slices too, as you can see here. Now in a chopper, add cucumber along with the skin. You don't have to peel the skin off. Now add chopped capsicum here. You can even add carrots here, so it's totally upon your choice. After it's done, so you can just take the mixture in a roti napkin and squeeze the excess water out of it and transfer in a bowl. Now add salt, black pepper to it, some of the chili flakes. You can even add oregano here, as I was not having, so I've not added. So now add mayonnaise as well, 2 to 3 layers. Mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon malai to it. I always add fresh malai to the mixture to give both the sweet and the sour taste to the sandwiches. So it's totally your choice. If you want to add, you can add here. Now take 2 slices of bread. Spread 1 teaspoon of melted yellow butter on both the slices of the bread. Put 1 teaspoon mixture on the top of the slice and spread it properly. So you can add more if you want. Top it with the other slice. With the help of a knife, cut it into 4 pieces. Cut it very carefully so that the mixture does not come out. Now separate it from each other carefully. Take a toothpick, insert an apple cube inside the toothpick and put that toothpick on the piece of the bread. Do it with the other pieces of the bread too. These look so beautiful, and along with it they really taste amazing as well. So these mini sandwiches are ready. So insert the toothpick and the apple cubes on the rest of the pieces too. Enjoy it with your family and kids. So hope you enjoyed my video, guys. If you really loved it, please hit the like button, click on the subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular notifications. Till then, take care, bye. See you soon in the next video.